Very good morning to one and all students. I Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Students, we are starting the new chapter. That the name of the chapter is the Glimpses of the Past. Means we will study about the various contribution as a fighters, freedom struggles. What are kings, kings in the ancient times like Tipu Sultan, okay, and many other, what contribution they gave, and other than that the revolt of 1757, 1849, okay, the companies that during this time period, the company that was started was the East India Company, the East India Company. Okay. We are studying the basic concept of during this revolt, what actually happened and why this company was started. Later we will actually, though it is not in the chapter, but we will go beyond the history. Okay. The East India Company was extending its power in the 18th century. So this incident is in between the 18th century. The East India Company started and it was trying to extend its power. The rivalry between the Indian princes and their short-sightedness gave a chance to English merchants and the company to get a successful in their ventures. Means the East India Company and the English rulers, means the Britishers, was given a chance by our kings and their short-sightedness to get successful in their ventures. The rule of the East India Company was looked as a blessing by many as it restored some peace and order. It was helpful for the people, the general people, who actually helped them in gaining their peace and order. So they restored it. So therefore the people were happy because it recreated the peace and order among the people. The others, however, viewed the dethroning of their Indian kings as a shame and regretted submitting under the outsiders' rule. But some people, what they did, they were feeling regret. They were feeling regret and shameful of their Indian kings. It happens. Some are having the positive thought, some are having the negative point of view. So those who are happy with the company and their kings, what they did, they simply get a chance to extend its get successful in their ventures. Why? Because it gave the peace and order, it recreated peace and order. But some were feeling shame and regretted submitting under the outsiders' rules. Means when the other person, the third person, when two persons are having conversation and the third person keeping aside the first person, so it gives the negative impact. Same as, like, we call it as like we can say भड़काने वाले जो लोग होते हैं. Okay, so outsiders rule. Tipu Sultan of Mysore laid down his life fighting the British. This name Tipu Sultan, the king of Mysore, he gave his life, he dedicated his life in to get the freedom against the British, and he kept on fighting, laid down his life fighting the British. So though the introduction of Tipu Sultan is not there in the chapter, but still we will do that in the next class. We will learn a little bit about Tipu Sultan and the basics of East India Company. These two topics are not there in the chapter, but we will learn them. We will go through the topics in details. So that's all for this class, the glimpses of the past. Glimpses of the past means we will discuss about the history only. Okay. Though the subject is English, but we will study the history. So that's all for this class.